Hello guys, kain tayo. For today's video, kain muna ako bago pumasok sa work. Meron akong Milo, Spam, boiled egg. Kagaya sa Pinas, you put the sabaw-sabaw on the rice and it's good to eat. Yummy. Yung sabaw ng rice. Even if you don't have ulam,